Welcome. In front of me is an OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings. And here scroll all the way down to system and select, there we go, reset options. Choose erase all data. This will present you with a message letting know that formatting or factory resetting your device will remove everything that is listed right here. Now, out of this list, you should really only care about music, photos, and user data, as these are the things that might be a little bit more unique to your device. Things like downloaded apps and accounts and stuff like that, you can regain all of that, so that's not really a problem. Anyway, from there, select erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock on your device, you will be forced to confirm it on this page instead of seeing what I'm seeing right now. And once you confirm it, you would see this page. At which point, just select erase all data once more. This will now begin factory resetting your device. And this process will take about a minute to maybe 2 minutes to finish up. Once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.